how to write the sound x, x, x. Hello children, welcome back again to my channel. So today we're gonna be learning how to write the sound what? X, 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 x. So there's a jolly funny rhyme that goes x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x-ray on my arm. So that's a sound what? X. And we can find it when we say the word fox. X, fox. X. Okay, children, so today I'm gonna be your teacher. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like this video, and share. Before we move on to learning how to write the sound X, I need you to look up the screen and let's say our sounds together. Ready? 1 to go! B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, yeah. Oh, that was amazing. I am super proud of you. Well done, children. So right now, I'm going to be showing you some sounds randomly, and I just want to be sure that you can still identify them for me. So let's see. What sound is this? The sound what? W, w, w. Beautiful. Good job. And what about this one? Ooh, well done, babies. I am super proud of you. And this sound here is what? The sound qu, 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 qu. Beautiful. Good job. Well done. What about this sound here? What sound is this? Amazing. Zzz. Good job. Okay. And what about this one here? The sound. Beautiful. And let's see another one. What sound is this? Good job. G, 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 g. Okay. And ta-da, this one. The sound. Good job. Well done. And let's see, what about this one? Amazing. Ah, 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 ah. The jolly phonics rhyme that goes ah, ah, answer my arm, ah, ah, answer my arm, ah, ah, answer my arm, causing me alarm. Ah, the sound ah for ant. Okay, children, well done, well done, well done. I am so proud of you. So today, let's move on now to writing our sound X. I have with me here my board, so I'm going to model it and then we do the other one at the background, okay? So here, guess you can see me. So how do we write the sound X? When you look at it here, It is very, very easy, okay? So all we need to do is, watch please, a slant down to the left. Remember, when we did the sound V, we did a slant down to the right and a slant up to the right and a little dash. We are starting a slant to the left. So we go a slant down to the left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a little loop. A slant down to the what? Left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a little loop. So right now we're going to be going all the slants. So let's take a slant to the left, one to go. Let's go. Slant down to the left, slant down to the left, slant down to the left, and slant down to the left. Now let's go. Slant down to the right, 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 slant down to the right. So we've gone slant to the left and slant to the right. Now we are going from here, a slant down to the left. Take your hands away, a slant down to the right and a loop. Again, a slant down to the left, a slant down to the right and a loop. Okay? A slant down to the left, a slant down to the right and a loop. That's the sound x, x, x. Let's go one more time. A slant down to the left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a loop. Let's go one more time. A slant down to the left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a little loop. Very easy, right? So let's go one more time. A slant down to the left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a little loop. That's the sound x, 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 x. Okay, so right now I need you to do that for me on the air. Let's go. One to go. A slant down to the left, a slant down to the right and a little loop. One to go. A slant down to the left. Take your hands away. And what? A slant down to the right with a little loop. Very easy, right? Okay, children. So right now we're moving on to the board. We have to connect writing from A to what? X. Because by now we should already know what the next sound is. But just in case you forget when we are writing, we can always go back and come up again. Are you ready? Yay! So let's go. All right, so I'm going to be standing here. So the board is already ruled and we start. The sound what? A. A. The sound what? A. Back up, stroke up, down the same line and the loop. That's the sound what? A, A, A. After A, we have the sound B. So we go a stroke down, stroke up to the middle and a curve in. A, B. Beautiful, the sound K. A, B, K. D. Amazing, D. I hope you can see the board. A, B, K, D. E. A dash and a back curve. After A, we have what? Up curve, stroke down, make a swing and a dash. E, G. Amazing word. G, 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 G. Beautiful, the sound. Like you are happy. You know the jolly funny sound that says, I love to hop, 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 up and down. I love to hop, 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 all around. I love to hop, 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 up and down. Hop, the sound what? So let's move on. After we have what? Oh, you forgot to. So let's go back. A, B, K, D, E, G. E. Good job. A stroke down, a loop, and a dot. After E, we have the sound J. 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 Stroke down, make a swing, and a dot. Go. E. J. The fantastic. A stroke down, up to the middle, curve in, out, and a loop. Go. E. J. Stroke down and the loop. The next one is going to be what? After we have o, pa, qu, a, b, k, d, e, g, e, j, k, l, o, p, qu. Fantastic word. And after we have s, o, p, qu, fantastic. Okay. A, b, k, d, e, g, e, j, k, l, o, p, qu, amazing word. Umbrella. After the O, we have v, right? V. W. Beautiful. W. And after W, we have what? Good job. The sound x. A, b, k, d, e, g, e, j, k, l, o, p, qu, a, v, w. Amazing word. X. A slant to the left, down. Take your hands away. A slant right, down, and a loop. So did you see the fantastic word? X. Now you can see that we've already learned all our sounds from A to what? X. And we have connected learning them, saying them, and writing them. Good job. So right now, we are going back now to practice writing the sound X. So we said it's going to be what? A slant down to the left. Take your hands away. A slant down to the right and a loop. Again. Slant down to the left, slant down to the right, and a loop. A slant down to the left, a slant down to the right, and a loop. Slant down to the left, take your hands away, slant down to the right, and a loop. A slant down to the left, take your hands away, slant down to the right, and a loop. One more time. A slant down to the left, take your hands away, a slant down to the right, and a loop. Slant down to the left, take your hands away, slant down to the right, and a loop. Can you see that? Good job. Again, a slant down to the left, a slant down to the right, and a loop. A slant down to the left, take your hands away, a slant down to the right, and a loop. One more time. A slant down to the left, take your hands away, and a slant down to the right, and a loop. Did you see that? For the last time, one to go. A slant down to the left, take your hands away, and a slant down to the left, and a loop. So that's the way we write the sound word. X, 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 x. Are you good to go now? Good job. So right now, this is the end of our video, and I'm going to see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound word. Let me look for the flashcard. After X, what do we have? I didn't hear that. You have to scream it out loud. What's the next sound? Yes, the super fantastic word. Ta-da! Yeah. Right? Like the yuck. So we have the sound yeah. So we're going to be learning how to write the sound yeah. And I need you to keep practicing from A to what? X. Okay, children, so this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and share. Bye.